In today's busy world, peace and quiet at home can feel like a luxury. For Coppell families, creating a calm indoor environment is especially valuable, whether you're working from home, helping kids with homework, or simply trying to relax after a long day. One of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to reduce noise is through soundproof door installation. By upgrading your doors, you can transform your home into a more comfortable and private space. Here's why soundproof doors are a smart choice for Coppell households. Reducing outdoor noise for a quieter home. Coppell is a thriving community with busy streets, schools, and parks nearby. While the activity adds to the charm of the area, it can also bring unwanted noise into your home. Soundproof doors are designed with dense, insulated cores and tight seals that block sound waves. This makes a huge difference if your home is near a main road, construction site, or bustling neighborhood. With outdoor sounds kept at bay, your family can enjoy a quieter and more restful living space. Improved privacy indoors. Noise isn't just a problem from outside, it also travels between rooms. Standard hollow core interior doors do little to stop sound, meaning conversations, music, or TV noise easily carry throughout the house. By installing solid core soundproof doors inside your home, you gain more privacy and separation between rooms. This is especially beneficial for home offices where focus and concentration are essential. Bedrooms for kids or adults who need restful sleep. Entertainment rooms where loud movies or music won't disturb the rest of the household. With soundproof doors, every family member can enjoy their own space without disruption. Enhancing comfort and relaxation. A quieter home naturally feels more comfortable and inviting. Soundproof doors create a calm atmosphere that helps reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Parents can relax in the living room without being disturbed by outside traffic. Kids can study or play in peace. Families can enjoy mealtime conversations without background noise distractions. In Coppell's active neighborhoods, the difference in comfort is noticeable as soon as you upgrade. Boosting energy efficiency. Soundproof doors don't just block noise, they also provide better insulation. Their solid cores and tight seals help keep cool air inside during Coppell's hot summers and warm air inside during chilly winter nights. This added insulation reduces energy loss, helping your HVAC system run more efficiently. Over time, that means lower energy bills and a more consistent indoor temperature, making soundproof doors a practical investment in both comfort and savings. Increased home value and appeal. Upgrading to soundproof doors is also a smart move for homeowners thinking about resale. Buyers in Coppell appreciate modern, well-maintained homes with energy-efficient and comfort-enhancing features. Soundproof doors not only improve daily living but also add a sense of quality and durability that makes your property stand out. This small upgrade can make a big impression when it comes time to sell. Professional installation. For best results. To achieve true soundproofing, professional installation is key. Experts ensure that doors fit tightly within their frames, with seals and weather stripping properly applied. Even small gaps can compromise soundproofing, so precision matters. By working with experienced installers in Coppell, you'll enjoy the full benefits of soundproof doors, noise reduction, energy efficiency, and improved comfort, without worrying about future issues. Final thoughts for Coppell families. Soundproof door installation is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in comfort, privacy, and peace of mind. From reducing outdoor noise and improving indoor privacy to boosting energy efficiency and home value, the benefits are both immediate and long-lasting. If noise is interfering with your daily life, it may be time to consider upgrading your doors. With professional installation and the right materials, you can create a quieter, more relaxing home where every family member feels comfortable.